Hi, welcome to the Just Tech Me at Python tutorial series. This video covers how to access an element in a list using its index. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe. Let's use the previously created list called MyList. If you look to the right of your screen on the Python terminal, you will see the list object. My list contains 50 US states as seen on the terminal. The index of any list begins with 0. Therefore, our list has index 0 to 49. To print a specific element, simply refer to the object itself and the index number enclosed in brackets. If you want to print the last element, type the following. Print command with our parameters being MyList and inside brackets the index 49. If you indicate 50 as an index instead of 49, you will get an error as there are only 50 elements and the numbering begins with 0 and not 1. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. This YouTube channel offers various other programming videos and tech-related content. Please feel free to browse the channel. You can also visit the website posted here for additional tech content.